10-line essay on healthy food in English. Healthy food is really important for our body. People who consume healthy food lead to healthy and active lifestyle. If we don't eat healthy food, you can face so many problems away. There are so many natural food sources and there are really food for our health. A healthy diet contains vitamins, carbohydrates, and fiber. Milk, fresh fruit, vegetables, and rice are perfect example of healthy food. We will be able to avoid junk food and fast food. These are full of fat. Eating healthy food is vital for proper body functioning. We should consume balanced diet and prevent overeating. A healthy diet keeps us away from many diseases. Thank you.